Welcome back to Auto Car News, where we explore the legends of the automotive world, powered by AI. Today, we take a journey back to the 1960s to talk about a true American icon, the 1966 Chevrolet Camaro. This is a car that didn't just arrive on the scene, it roared onto it, changing the muscle car landscape forever. In the mid-1960s, Chevrolet was on a mission. The Ford Mustang had taken the world by storm, and GM needed an answer, a powerful, stylish machine that could compete in the growing pony car market. That answer was the Chevrolet Camaro, a car that would go on to become one of the most beloved muscle cars of all time. Though officially launched as a 1967 model, the Camaro's story began in 1966, when Chevrolet pulled the covers off their newest creation. Designed to be more than just a competitor, the Camaro had a unique identity, blending aggressive styling with performance that left a lasting impression. Under the hood, Chevrolet offered a wide range of engine options, from a base 3.8L inline-six to the mighty 6.5L V8. This meant there was a Camaro for everyone, from the daily driver to the speed-hungry racer. The most powerful of them all, the SS 396, packed a 325 horsepower punch, making it a serious contender on the streets and the track. But the Camaro wasn't just about raw power, it had style. Its sleek, low-slung body, long hood, and short rear deck gave it an aggressive yet refined look. It was designed to turn heads and leave a lasting impression wherever it went. The available RS package added hidden headlights and extra trim details, giving it an even more distinctive appearance. Inside, the Camaro was built for the driver. The cockpit was designed with performance in mind, featuring bucket seats, a sporty dashboard, and optional gauges that made the driver feel connected to the machine. Every detail, from the steering wheel to the center console, was crafted to enhance the driving experience. But what truly set the Camaro apart was its potential for customization. Chevrolet knew that car enthusiasts wanted to make their vehicles their own, and the Camaro delivered. Whether it was performance upgrades, styling tweaks, or special editions like the Z/28, which was built for road racing, the Camaro was a blank canvas for automotive passion. The 1966 Chevrolet Camaro marked the beginning of something legendary. It wasn't just a response to the Mustang, it was the birth of a dynasty, a name that would become synonymous with power, speed, and American muscle. Over the decades, the Camaro has evolved, but its essence remains the same, a car built for those who love to drive. Even today, the first-generation Camaro holds a special place in the hearts of car enthusiasts. Whether seen at a classic car show, heard roaring down the street, or admired in a collector's garage, the 1966 Camaro represents an era of pure automotive excitement. And that's why this machine continues to captivate generations. What are your thoughts on the Camaro? Drop a comment below, like this video, and subscribe for more AI-powered automotive content. Stay tuned for our next journey into the world of legendary cars.